Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy Rosetta Stone to master a new language, full guide step by step clearly. Start by selecting the language you want to learn. Visit the Rosetta Stone website or download the app on your device. Create an account if you don't already have one. Log into your account and navigate to the language selection page. Choose the target language you wish to master. Select the subscription plan that suits your needs. Proceed to checkout and complete your purchase. Once enrolled, access your dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the interface. Begin with the placement test to determine your current proficiency level. Based on your results, Rosetta Stone will provide a personalized learning path. Start the first lesson focused on vocabulary and pronunciation. Engage with the interactive exercises, which include speaking, listening, and reading components. Take advantage of the speech recognition technology for improving your accent. Practice regularly, ideally setting aside a specific time each day. Utilize the mobile app for learning on the go. Explore the cultural notes and additional resources provided in the lessons. Track your progress and milestones through the dashboard. If available, participate in live tutoring sessions for more personalized guidance. Join language groups or forums within the platform to connect with fellow learners. Consider setting achievable goals to keep yourself motivated. Regularly review past lessons to reinforce what you've learned. Immerse yourself in the language outside of Rosetta Stone by listening to music or watching movies. Stay patient and persistent. Mastering a language takes time and effort. Celebrate your progress along the way, no matter how small. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.